Welcome back to a very special episode of House of Manners. Today, we kick off the Mule Town Pipe Show. That's right. Today is Friday, and tonight the pre-parties begin, and tomorrow the show will start, and people from all over the country, maybe even all over the world, will gather to Columbia, Tennessee to kick off pipe show season. What a great time. Tonight, we'll be hosting the very first annual House of Manners Mule Town pre-party, if you will, where we'll gather with food and frivolity and cigars, pipes, pipe tobacco, and a very special whiskey tasting that I have put together for my guests. So come along with us. I know you're going to have a great time. Let's go. So we are wrapping up the Mule Town pre-party tonight. Yes. We've had some great food, we've had some great whiskey, and now we're smoking some beautiful cigars from somewhere and having a really, really good time.
This has been a blast. Thank you for hosting this. This has been so much fun.
You're very welcome. Well, that wraps up a very successful Mule Town pre-party. We will see you tomorrow. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a very special House of Manners. It's Mule Town Day. That's right. We are about to embark all the way down to Columbia on an amazing adventure to the kickoff of pipe season. That's right. The kickoff of pipe show season starts today at Mule Town at Briarworks in Columbia. I'm just stopping off to pick up a couple of idiots, and we're heading straight down. Can't wait to see you. Good morning, sir. We just wanted to wish you a Merry Christmas. Happy birthday.
Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday, Greg.
We're smoking these just for you today.
Yeah. Happy birthday. What are you smoking today, buddy?
It's Andalusian Bowls. They're really good. I just acquired them.
Give me that.
On your birthday, by the way.
Yeah.
Anyway.
We're celebrating you with these.
Anyway, hey, listen, we love you, man. Hope you have a great, I love you. He said he doesn't really care about you very much, but hope you have a great day with your son, man, and miss you. We'll see you soon. Peace out.
Alright, I got E1 and Captain Early Slice. Reporting in the flesh. How we doing, guys? Doing great today. We're here in Mule Town. I got 4 questions. Alright, question 1. Favorite Cornell and Dill blend released last year?
Fireworks Smokehouse here?
Sure.
Smokehouse. Very unique, very savory. Love it.
Very good. Very sweet.
Very smoky, savory, little umami maybe.
Oh, very nice. Second question.
Favorite is right. Oh, I believe that would be my Peterson ADS spigot that my brother got me for my birthday.
Alright, third question. Favorite whiskey you travel with?
Favorite whiskey it's fine. Would be the Wild Turkey Red Breed Rye.
Very nice.
Yeah, fantastic.
That's a very good question. Alright, last question. Favorite micro blender last year?
Micro blender. Damn orange straw. Legal pipes and tobacco. Guys, are absolutely killing it.
All right, now tell me, what blend do you have?
Wax magic. 50% right here.
Absolutely. Hey, thank you so much for watching. We're going to see what we can find. Thank you, Captain. Appreciate you coming on the show.
Thank you, sir.
All right, thank you. All right, I'm standing with the one, the only band on the band, Reaver Pipes and Tobacco. We are a big fan at House of Manliness, huge fan. So we got 3 questions for you. Question 1: what was your favorite Cornell and Deal release of last year?
Probably, it kind of is not what most people think, but I like living here.
That's a very good blend. Very good blend. All right, I like it. Okay, well, we're good. All right, second question: are you? What's your favorite type of
My favorite pipe is always the one that I'm smoking at the time. But
You get the award for the best answer today.
I've got a book ready.
Oh,
That I have, and especially after him passing last year, I love having that pipe.
favorite whiskey last year?
Oh, that would be probably the Winnie 15.
That's a really good. That one and the limited release are both very good.
And these are ones that we brought back from Scotland a couple years ago.
That's awesome. All right, so do you smoke other micro blenders?
I do.
Okay, so who was your favorite micro blender for last year? That's not you.
Well, I'd have to say John Harrison with me.
There you go. That's it. All right, yeah. Well, thanks for doing this. I appreciate it. Let's go find out who else is out there today.
So I'm live in the humidor at Muletown, and I found another idiot. The one, the only, Jeremiah Ford, Idiots with Class. How you doing, my brother?
I'm good, dude.
Listen, got some questions for you.
Okay.
So, real simple questions. What was your favorite Cornell and Deal blend that released last year?
Cornell and Deal, man. I'm gonna say From Beyond.
Very, very good blend.
Yeah.
Mucho gracias. Very good. Next question, I would say, what is your favorite pipe that you smoked last year?
Dude, so I'm huge on sentimental and nostalgia, so it's gonna be the Peterson Christmas pipe that you got me, dude. I love that thing.
That's my dog right there.
Yeah.
Next question, what was your favorite whiskey that you drank last year?
Bro, so it's gonna be an Old Forester single barrel proof store pick from a local liquor store down there. That is I've looked for something as good as that with other Old Forester barrel picks and I can't find one.
What was the proof on it?
128, I believe.
Oh, I bet it's gorgeous.
Right in there.
Gorgeous.
Dude, it's good. Like it's like graham cracker and dude, it's banana nut bread
yeah,
even.
100%.
That sauce is amazing, bro.
Wonderful.
It's so complex and very viscous. I love
Old
it.
Forester's a great brand, I'm telling you, and the store
It is.
picks are very, very good.
It is. They do a great job.
So did you? How about favorite micro blender last year? Any micro blends?
Man, I haven't tried as many, so none come to mind immediately, but I've been smoking a lot more cigars this year than normal. I still am smoking a pipe, but I haven't ventured out and tried new stuff as much, so I can't really think of anything
As we stand in the cigar humidor, by
as
the way.
we stand in a cigar. That's why you found
That's
me
why we're
here.
here. That's why we found
me
him.
here.
That's right.
That's right. But yeah, I can't really. I don't think I tried any new micro blends, to be honest with
All right, so since you didn't smoke a lot of micro blends last year, what was your favorite cigar?
Man, I smoked a lot of stuff, but my favorite that immediately comes to mind, just because I've only had it one time. A lot of people have this a lot because it's a pretty popular cigar, but I've only had it one time with my father. It was just different, and I really liked that.
Yeah.
That's probably the thing that stood out the most last year, just because it was a little different. I really liked it.
That's a great cigar. All right, you heard it from Jeremiah first. That's, to my judge, is one of the best cigars you can find, right?
It's good.
Okay.
All right, I've got the pipe philosopher here. Go check him out in the video. All right, we're doing 4 questions, real quick. What was your favorite Cornell and Deal release from last year?
Buyers 111 was real impressed.
Very good one. What did you like the Bourbon?
I did. I did. And there's some kind of top note. I don't know if it's caramel or something they put on there. Not sure, but I love it. It's really good.
Very good stuff. All right, second question. Favorite pipe from last year?
My Peterson 301. Dude, hot. Love it.
Right.
Absolutely.
Gorgeous. Ain't that guy once said. You a whiskey drinker?
No.
What was your favorite spirit last year?
I normally don't drink, but back in the day, my favorite was some Captain Morgan Spice Rum.
That's old school, baby.
That was old school. That was my stuff.
You a coffee drinker?
I am very much so.
Coffee.
I'm a Folgers man. I go for the classics.
Captain Morgan's and Folgers. We can't beat that.
That's right. I'm a true American.
That's right. Last question.
Okay.
Doing micro blends last year?
I did not.
Okay.
I did not.
I'm looking for that.
Yeah, give me some suggestions. I want to know.
Nala 9.
Nala 9.
Nala 9. I got you. All right.
Okay.
You heard it from here first. And guess what? I found an idiot. The great, the one and only, Scott Rollins. Right here, buddy. Oh, right here. There you go. There you go. He is an idiot after all. All right, I got 3 questions for you.
Okay, fire away.
Question 1. What was your favorite Cornell and Deal?
Navy Cat's is good, but I'm going to go from the other.
Oh, from the Islands. What was your favorite pipe and smoke?
I'll tell you my Notre Dame 4,000.
Oh,
it's so good.
Southern Roots, baby.
Yes, so good.
Yeah, that was a commission, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So, next question. Tell me, what was your favorite whiskey? I've been drinking.
I didn't smoke any whiskey.
Some whiskey smoke.
Oh yeah. Ooh,
I bet your favorite is.
Yeah, whole lager will be hot. So, I mean, I drank that last year. That counts?
That does count.
Okay, well I have to pick another one out. I'm probably going to that some Belvine. I won't see your Caribbean Cats.
Okay, very, very good. Last question. Micro blender of the year.
You know, they're all coming on my channel. I can't maybe hit one.
By the way, Blender's Table coming to you once a month, right? Once a month, Blender Table. If you want to see the micro blenders in a person review, this guy right here is doing it. Just watch it.
But I'm going to put all the notes. It's so good. And you said last year, right? So all the new blenders, I'm trying to stuff. So that's what Ken Byron's for all the work.
You heard it here first from Scott. He is a class.
Well, I made it home. It's a wrap after 2 days of fun and exciting conversations, fellowship, amazing tobacco, amazing whiskey. We've had an amazing time, and now it's time to come to a close. I am going to go tomorrow, Sunday, for a little bit with my friend Greg, who just turned 50, but that's a wrap for Friday and Saturday, but it's been an amazing time, and I'm looking forward to 2027. So hope you enjoyed the video. Hope all's well. I'll do a complete recap video here next week, but until then, I hope you had a great Muletown, and I hope you found a beautiful new pipe, maybe some new tobacco. Most importantly, I hope you found some new friends. Take it easy. Peace.